So hi everyone, I'm back with another video, and in this video I'm going to unbox a book. There is a book in this box, so without further ado, let me open it. So here is the book. You can see the bill. You can see the bill. The book cost me $260, and the book is my favorite, The Miracle Morning. The Miracle Morning by Hal Elrod, and the 6 habits that will transform your life before 8 a.m. So if you are not a morning person, if you have problem waking up early, then this book is a fascinating read for you. I think if I have bought it for my sister, and my sister has a very nasty habit that she can't wake up early. So I thought she has to read this book, because day by day she is getting lazy. She wakes up around 9:30. So I think it would be good for her to read this book and complete this book, and then she can after reading this book she can understand the principles that a person needs to wake up early. So there is a very thin paper. Let me just tear it. So guys, the build quality is amazing. The book's build quality is amazing, and it's a self-help book. It's a very popular book, by the way, on internet. I ordered on Flipkart, and I had to pay $260, but the price is $399. You can see $399 here, and the quality of the book is amazing. And there are some chapters. I would like to show you the chapters here. You might not see the chapters in the video, but let me read them. There are some chapters. It's time to wake up to your full potential, the miracle morning origins, born out of desperation, the 95% reality check, why did you wake up this morning, the 5-step snooze proof wake up strategy. So I would say this book is a must read for those who are facing a lot of problem waking up early. And if you don't wake up early, then you miss out the morning energy, you miss out the most important hours that you can utilize in establishing your life. So I think Miracle Morning is going to be your special read this year, 2021. Just go out there and read this book and wake up early and transform your life before 8 a.m. Thanks.